OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.
Hi, I'm Terry. So now I'm with Antonio from
Feudi di San Gregorio.
Yeah, so actually I think many Chinese people are already familiar with your wine. So tell us more about your winery, please.
Our winery is in the south of Italy,
Yes.
in Campania, not far from Naples, 80 kilometers away in the central part, so by the hills and the mountains.
Yes.
It's quite different from what you expect from the south, so it's not beach and sunny area, it's rather mountain and rainy,
Yeah.
which is good, very good for wines.
Of course. Yeah. So actually people are saying you are a renaissance of the wine. So do you agree with that?
We are proud of pushing our territory forward.
Yes.
When we started, our territory there were producers, but I think from also our action, the whole area grew massively.
Exactly.
And I think the fact of being inspiration of others,
Yes.
and being inspired by others ourselves, so being part of a movement has been something we are proud of.
Okay. So which wine you bring to us today?
We're pouring a Taurasi. Taurasi is the most important red wine appellation.
Yes.
It's an Aglianico grape. We are pouring our Reserva single vineyard Piano di Montevergine, 2004 vintage.
Okay. So actually all your labels are very iconic. It's very easy to recognize. So where come from the idea?
We decided, because we wanted to bring fresh air into the region,
Yes.
and bring something also in the marketing quite innovative, we decided to go to an Italian designer living in New York, very famous, named Massimo Vignelli.
Okay.
He did many different type of jobs for many important companies, also US, and he designed our label, and always with the idea of being very easy to recognize.
Okay. How is Chinese market? Is it important for you yet?
For us, it's not important yet.
Okay.
I think it's a matter of we need to adjust our culture of export to the market. Of course, also in China, the wine culture is growing. So I think the first thing you approach is Tuscany, Piedmont, Campania comes a little bit after. So I think it will be a combination of us working better and the Chinese culture also starting to appreciate more different wines.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. 哇，所以大家看到这个酒标，大家都知道这酒呢，在中国已经非常的有名了。但我们也知道，它确实是 Taurasi 这个产区最为重要的，它也是我们称为是 Taurasi 的文艺复兴型的酒。所以我们希望更多中国消费者呢，看这个酒标，勇敢的去试一下，你不会失望的。所以我们很高兴来这边呢，看到这样的酒，因为中国太需要这样的小产区出来的很好的葡萄酒。Thank you very much. Okay, enjoying. Thanks.
OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.